Welcome back. I'm Coach Wanda, and I'm going to show you how you can earn with the AI Affiliate Program. As we shared in our previous videos, every time you share your link and a purchase is made, you earn a commission. It is one of the easiest ways to earn income. The commission program is divided into two tiers. With the first tier, you can earn 30% direct commission, and with the second tier, you can earn 10% sub-affiliate commissions. Let's break this down into potential monthly earnings. With the Tier 1 plan, when your referral clicks on your link and buys the $97 monthly plan, you earn 30% commission per month of $29.10. Yes, that's right, $29.10 per month. Yes, this is recurring revenue. With the second tier plan, when your sub-affiliate refers someone to the $97 monthly plan, you earn 10% override commissions per month. Yes, that's right, $9.70 per month per second tier referral. Even better, the referral plans can mix and match, so at the same time you earn a monthly referral commission, you can also earn from your sub-affiliate referral. As if it couldn't get any better, there are no caps on referrals. You get paid off of an infinite amount of direct referrals and second tier referrals. Let's look at some monthly earning potentials. 15 direct referrals equals $436.50 monthly earnings. 15 direct yearly referrals equals $4,450.50. Yearly earnings are paid upfront on yearly commissions. Referrals have the option to do the monthly plan or the annual plan. When they opt for the annual plan, you get the annual commission upfront. Visualize your goals. Let's look at this possibility. 50 referrals equals $1,455 monthly passive income. 100 referrals equals $2,910 monthly passive income. 200 referrals equals $5,830 monthly passive income. 10 yearly referrals in 1 month equal $2,967 paid in 1 month and passively returning after 1 year. You have to agree, it really is an easy way to earn some extra income. So why not get started today? Click on the link below to start your 14-day free trial. Remember, you can cancel at any time.